Hey guys, in today's video I really wanted to share this with you, the mudras. I feel like mudras are so powerful and they can help you, healing you, allowing more oxygen into your body, healing your mind, body and soul. So let's jump right into the mudras. This is called the Adi Mudra. Relaxes the nervous system and it helps to improve the flow of oxygen to the brain and also increases the capacity of the lungs. It's known as the first mudra because it's one of the first positions that the hands of the fetus are capable of making inside of the womb. Create like a fist. This mudra is for strength and power. Basically tuck your thumb in and hold it in the palm of your hand. And we're just going to come into a lunge and open up our hearts. And as we do this, say to yourself, I am powerful. I am strong. I'm a powerful creator. Breathing deeply and consciously into your heart space. You can either say this out loud or just in your head, but know it and feel it as your truth. Feeling the power running through you from the base of your spine all the way to the top of your crown. Just switching legs, and I suggest taking at least 6 deep, conscious, mindful breaths in this position. Breathe deep into your heart space. Feel the strength, the power of your heart. Feel gratitude for your heart. Each day, you guys, it literally pumps up to 7,000 liters a day, keeping you alive and nourished with an abundance of blood. You can also meditate with your hands in this mudra and you will really feel an abundance of oxygen, healing, renewing and cleansing your entire body. Just coming back into the lunge. I also like to, right before I fall asleep, I like to place my hands in this mudra as I sleep. Conscious, mindful breaths. This really helps to release the ego. Is basically take your left is feminine, right is masculine, so place your left on top of the masculine, your right hand, and basically just sit like this in a meditation, and this really helps to release and let go of the ego. You can either sit in lotus or you can just sit with your legs crossed. Just take some time to meditate in this position. Conscious, mindful inhales and exhales, reminding yourself who you truly are, an infinite soul having a human experience. It's really calming and soothing to meditate whilst your hands are in mudras, helping to cultivate that inner peace. This mudra really helps you to let go of negativity and to really appreciate the beautiful world that we live in. We can also place our hands in a mudra whilst getting into balancing yoga positions such as dancer pose, basically placing our index and our thumb, creating like an energy bind. This mudra helps to improve memory and enhances the quality of creative thinking. It's also beneficial if you suffer from insomnia or diabetes or Alzheimer's. It can also help to regulate high blood pressure. Another mudra is where we take our middle finger and connect it to our thumb, creating an energy bind. It's also really helpful to allow oxygen flow to your heart, and it can promote better hearing and reduces ear pain as well. Become who you truly are, which is consciousness, God, awareness, infinite being, infinite, eternal. Become your soul. Take some time to meditate here and really observe the ego mind, observe Don't identify, just observe the thoughts. And don't believe whatever it's trying to feed you, just observe it. Anger serves you, grounding you to the present moment. You are your higher self. Another mudra that I really love, guys, is the prayer mudra. Basically, when you clasp both hands together, creating like an energy seal, it helps to ground you and allow you to be more balanced. It helps to relieve stress, it calms the mind, and it also improves focus, and it promotes that inner awareness. I really hope that this video has been helpful, you guys, and I really hope that it heals you from within, allowing you to see your true self and your true potential. And you're absolutely infinite. You can do and be anything you want to be. You are limitless. I love you guys with my whole heart, and I shall see you guys in my next upload. Wishing you nothing but peace, love, and light.